Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Juandi. I'm from MIP Makassar. My major is Technical Level 1. So I want to tell you about cruise ship. Cruise ship is a form of tourist boat that offers a different and interesting experience. Besides being to enjoy the beauty of the sea, you can also enjoy various facilities available on cruise ship, from flexing on the swimming pool and exercising in the fitness center and enjoying delicious food at the restaurant to enjoy interesting performance. Thank you.